What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about two different things. One is going to be a no credit check loan, and we're going to talk about that after we talk about this $50,000 loan up to $50,000, which does not give you a hard pull to your credit initially. And we're going to talk about the credit score that you're going to need for that and various other details that you need to know about this company, because they do offer a lot of different things. But make sure you stick around to the end so you can get all of that information. And if you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit and business expert. And if you want to know more information about how to improve your personal credit, how to learn strategies for your business, how to get funding for your personal needs, as well as funding for your business through grants and loans and credit cards, things like that, then make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop just like this. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some information about this company. Now, the company name is Figure. And as I mentioned, they have a lot of different things that they offer. You can see here they have what's called Figure Pay. They have personal loans, mortgages, home equity lines, payment assistance. They have Invest. They have different things for your business as far as Figure Pay for merchants, digital fund services, business solutions to build creative savings and efficiency, and equity solutions. So they have a lot of different things they offer, but we're going to be talking about the personal side today. So as you can see here, it says if you're looking for fast and convenient way to access cash, look no further. Figure's application is 100% online and can be completed in minutes. And indeed, they do have a very easy application process that is online. Okay, so let's look a little further into this so you can see as far as rates go. They have rates as low as 5.75%. So that is very good. That's a pretty low interest rate. And they go all the way up to 22.94%. And you can get discounts if you sign up for auto pay to have your payments come out automatically. Now, on the higher end, of course, that is a lot of interest to be paying, but a lot of things are going to go into what determines what your interest rate is going to be. It's going to be, of course, your credit score, your overall, credit profile. And basically they're going to look at things like, your proof of income, your debt to income ratio, and how long you take out as far as terms on this loan. So all of that stuff is going to play a factor into the interest rate that you get. But the best part about this loan is going to be that you can see what your offer is without getting a hard pull to your credit. And I'll show you more details on that in just a minute. But you can get up to $50,000. So of course that's good, and you can use it for whatever your needs may be. And they have options that you can select as far as what you're going to use this option for, what this loan option for. So they also offer as fast as next day funding. So take control even faster. Complete your application before 4 p.m. PST or 7 p.m. EST on a business day, and you can get next day funding. Now they also have multiple fixed term options, which is what I just mentioned a second ago, because you can choose what duration that you want to have this loan for. And again, that will help determine what your interest rate will be. The longer your term is, the higher your interest rate will be, because of course they're taking on more risk the longer you are going to be taking to actually pay off this loan. Going past that, you can see they give you an example here. The total highest amount, of course, you can take out is $50,000. And basically with that, if you got a 3-year fixed term, your interest rate could be, for example, 7.97%, and that will make your monthly payment about $1,500 on this particular loan. But if you go to 5-year fixed term, your interest rate, increase a decent amount, and your monthly payment went down. Of course, it went down because you have 2 extra years to pay it off. So that makes it lower because the amount that you're taking out is still the same, but you will still pay more interest over that extra period of time that you have to pay that off. So keep that in mind. And again, they mentioned here, check your rate without impacting your credit score. Just tell us a few details about yourself and we'll provide you a pre-qualification rate. So again, you can see if they're going to give you a good rate or not before you even have any damage happen to your credit score. And they only give you a hard pull if you actually accept the offer that they give to you. And it is a automated application process, so connect your accounts with their automated application, speeding up the entire process so you can receive your funds quickly with no hassle. So with that, it makes the approval rates a lot faster, but it's going to be more of a automated approval versus a manual underwriting where somebody is looking at the details and trying to see what all is there. Your information is going to be inputted and then they'll spit out an answer to you. And also a good thing about this program, they have refer a friend and get rewarded. So you can get up to $150 and they get $150 if you refer somebody that actually gets approved for a loan. So Figure offers an easy way to get a personal loan while rewarding yourself for spreading the word too. Each time you refer a friend, you receive a $150 gift card. So, you and your friend actually get that. Now, it doesn't apply to every state. So you can see here that it's not available to residents of Kentucky, Ohio, and Rhode Island. So keep that in mind when you were looking at this. Now, another thing that they have, which is what most of you guys are probably going to be interested in if you just need, some quick cash, a slower amount, and you need something with no credit check. This is what I was talking about here, and we're going to get some more information on this, but it's called Figure Pay. So with that, we have another great option for you, Figure Pay, the all-in-one money app that offers buy now, pay later loans up to $2,500 that anyone can qualify for. So this is their option that is kind of similar to a Cash App or a Zelle, something like that, but we're gonna get more details on that right now. So with the Figure Pay, one app, one card, no hassle. So basically, you can pay for your purchases using the card that they have. You can transfer money, so you can send money to friends, family members, stuff like that. You can earn rewards while you're using this card, so that's also a good benefit. And you can access buy now, pay later loans. And it's all in one, easy access in one account. You just download the app on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Now, the all-in-one money app, basically they give you an account. You pay 0 fees on this account. So there's no minimum balance requirement. There's no deposit. They don't charge any fees for your deposit account at all, so you don't have to worry about that. Buy now, pay later option, which is what some of you guys are interested in, that no credit check loan. That's going to be this option, which is different from the $50,000 loan, personal loan option that they had that we just talked about a second ago. This is separate from that. But anyway, you can access buy now, pay later loans. Some customers will qualify instantly. If not, you can earn point of sale credit by making deposits for 2 consecutive months. So if you do set up direct deposit and it's, I think, more than $1,200 for those 2 months, then they'll give you $100. So that's something also free that they're offering to you guys. And with this account, if you set up your direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days earlier. And you can see here, transferring money is easy. Sending and receiving money from family, friends is just a few taps away. With Figure Pay, just like a Cash App situation. And here is that $100 direct deposit bonus that you get. And again, it was $1,200 per month. Have that to happen for at least 2 consecutive months, and within 30 days they give you $100. Now, who couldn't use the extra $100 just for no reason, or without any extra effort, of course. And you can earn cash rewards and discounts while shopping at your favorite stores. So they partner with Dodge Rewards, so you can earn cash back while you shop and dine. So Dodge connects thousands of stores right to you. No codes, coupons, or extras needed. Enjoy automatic rewards every time you use Figure Pay. So that's a very good and easy way to get you some bonus points and rewards for using them. Now, just for some more details on that. So what is Figure Pay? Figure Pay is a deposit and payment account offered by Figure with FDIC insured funds held at UMD Bank. So it is connected to an actual bank, so you can rest assured that your money is secured with that point. And peer-to-peer payment services, and also a point of sale loan product, which is a Figure Pay credit loan to help customers finance their purchases. And we already talked about the direct deposit and stuff like that, but basically they give you a loan on certain purchases that you're trying to make, so that just in case you're not able to make the full payment, you can actually break that in 2 payments with a loan up to a certain amount, up to $2,500, with no credit check at all to you. So of course that's great. Now, is Figure Pay available to everybody? Well, not everybody. It is, I think, about 42 or 43 states that they have listed here, but Figure Pay is available in all of these states. Figure Pay being the app that you would use that's similar to a Cash App, where you can send money, receive money, have direct deposit coming in. All of that is going to be what the Figure Pay app is all about. Now, as far as the Figure Pay credit loans that we talked about, they are not going to be available in every state, but they are available in these states that I'm highlighting right here, with more states to come. And you can put your name on a waiting list just so that you can be notified when it is available in your state. But currently, these are going to be the states that it's going to be available in. So just keep that in mind. And they also have Figure Pay for businesses, but we're not going to get into that today. But just know that when you do use the option that we were talking about initially, where you're trying to actually get that personal loan that's up to $50,000, that they do check your credit with a soft pull, so you will not have to worry about it hurting your credit. and you will see your offer, and then they will actually do a hard pull if you accept that offer. But again, pre-qualification does not affect your credit score. Now, they will check your Experian credit score, so keep that in mind. And it is recommended that you more than likely have a score that's around 680 or higher. You want your credit to be on the better end if you're going to be trying to apply for this type of loan with Figure. So keep that in mind, but also remember, it's a soft pull. You can see if you can get approved where you're at. So if you need the money, you don't have to worry about taking any damage to your credit. And then if they do give you something that seems feasible to you, go ahead and hit the accept on the offer, and then you have your funds, and as quick as the next business day, as long as you do it, within the time frames that they have set up there. So again, this is a very good loan option. I would say they have a lot of good offerings and benefits to using them for the personal loan or for using them for the credit loan for up to $2,500 with no credit check for your purchases. Not to mention the referral bonuses that they have on both ends with the personal loan, and not really a referral bonus, but the direct deposit bonus of $100 that you can get with the Figure Pay app that they have as well. So hopefully this information was useful to you. If it was, make sure that you do like this video, subscribe to the channel for more information like this as I release it, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I actually do release that information. But until then, make sure that you check out some of the other videos that I have done in regards to getting personal funding via loan or credit card. I'm linked to a few of those options right here, so make sure that you check those out, and I'll see you guys next time.